I've never used like a real beauty blender before because I'm cheap. Alright, oh, yes, got it. Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sienna Beauty. If this is your first time here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if not, welcome back. So today, what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be testing out new products, and I'm also going to be using old favorites. So I pulled some products out that I used to love, and I just haven't used in a while. So I kind of just wanted to play with them and remember why I stopped using them, or maybe I should bring them back into my daily routine. So today I'm going to be doing a full face of makeup with some old products and some new products, and we're just gonna have fun. So let's just get right into it. So first thing I always like to do is start with my foundation because it's kind of like the base of everything. This is an old favorite. This is the Kiehl's, God, I can't. This is the Kiehl's. This is a priming moisturizer, and this is gonna be my primer. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my fingers here. Oh, there we go. All right, I'm just gonna put this all over my face. Forgot how good this smells. Okay, I might start using this one again. You guys can also put this on with a beauty blender or a wet beauty sponge. I'm lazy, so I use my fingers. Okay, so a next past favorite. I used to use the Maybelline Fit Me not concealer. I used to use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Back in the day, I used to just use the back of my hand, so that's what we're gonna do today. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand. Alright, and then we're going to be testing out a new product. This is the Sonia Kashuk. How do you say that? Sonia Kashuk? We're going to be going into her makeup beauty blenders here. Makeup blender. They're apparently latex free, which is nice. Oh, this was such a mistake. It's dripping all over. Alright. So this is what... Ooh. They're nice. I've never used like a real beauty blender before because I'm cheap. Alright, oh, yes, got it. Oh, I got these because they're like black and white. I thought the black would be nice because it doesn't really show the foundation that much, but maybe the white side's good because it shows you if it's dirty or not. So they do say to wet it, so I guess we'll do that today. I'm gonna go make this wet and probably take this off because it's ruined now. You guys, it expanded. Oh my god. I am going to put some foundation on my hand again because now we have a beauty blender. Just gonna dip some in there. You guys, this is like the best beauty blender I've ever used. Okay, I remember why I didn't put on my hand. It's dripping. What? Oh, hello there. Oh no! What did you do? Come back, Cappy. No, come back. Okay, we're just not gonna put on my hand anymore. It just makes a mess. All right, so another past favorite was, oh, look at that, it matches. So we have now the Fit Me in translucent, I think. And what I would do back in the day is I would go in with just the biggest, fluffiest brush I had, which is this guy, and I would just put it all over. So as you can see, I kind of have like these dark looking circles, which are not attractive. But for me, for some reason, my dark circles are like light. So a trick that I like to do is, well, I used to do this when I was younger too, but I go in with a bronzer. So this is the one I used to use. This is the bronzers, the Physicians Formula bronzer. I think this is in light to medium. And what I do is I just go in with a bronzing brush or whatever, and I just put it underneath my eyes, and it actually makes a huge difference. So yeah, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but like it's gone. All right, now I'm just gonna bronze the rest of my face. So yeah, I'm gonna start with underneath my cheekbone. Then I'm gonna move up to my temples here, my forehead. Just make sure you're blending. That's the biggest key. You don't wanna have that harsh line of pigment because then it's obviously wearing makeup. I'm really into that natural kind of look. And then I'm just gonna go along my jawline here. You wanna start about there and then bring it down. And then I like to go along my neck right here. And then I'll do down my nose on this, just the side here, and underneath, and then under my lip here. And that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna replicate what I just did on this side on the other side. All right, now that we're all bronzed up, So another new product, I got this in my Ipsy bag this month. Not quite sure what it is. I think it's a blush. It literally has nothing. All it says is the color and the brand. But like, I don't know what else to use it for. Like, is it for your lips? So I'm just gonna apply it to my cheeks. Why not? It might have been smart to do this before applying powder. So we'll see if this messes everything up or if we're fine. So I'm just gonna put it on the apples of my cheeks here. Okay, I mean, it's like a highlight kind of too. Just kind of blend it in. I mean, actually, it looks really good on camera. Wow. Can't really see it in person, but alright. Next, I'm going on to a product I'm so excited about. I also got this in my Ipsy bag. I don't even know how to explain it. It's by Pacifica, and it's a Rainbow Crystals Liquid Mineral Strobe. Not only is this a highlight, it is a strobe light. I have not tested this out on my face yet. I swatched it. What is the word? I can't English today. I'm a little hesitant to put it on my face because I'm going to work right after this. I am just gonna put a big streak on my face and see what happens. Once again, I probably should have powdered after this. Time to blend. Alright, well that is highlighter for ya. Alright, I'm gonna be going into my very first palette. This is the Naked One palette by Urban Decay. But this palette is just so great. Oh, it's fine. Anyways, I'm just gonna go into Buck here. And I'm just gonna put it all over my eyelid here. I didn't used to prime my eyelids back in the day, so that's why you don't see me putting on a primer. Alright, next what I like to do is go into a tapered brush here. And I'm going to be going into the color Buck, which is the second matte color. And I'm just going to be going into my crease with this back and forth motion. So I didn't film the rest of this video, and I'm just editing it, and I just spent like hours editing this. So basically how I finished this look, I just did some more eyeshadow. I did black eyeshadow for eyeliner. I put mascara on. I did my brows. I did lipstick. I think that's it. But yeah, that's basically what I did. If you want a tutorial on like how I do that, I have some in my other videos. Just look for like a full face look or something. Anyways, thanks for watching. Back to the video. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure and give it a thumbs up. And also hit that subscribe button so you can be notified when I have new videos out. Also leave a comment down below if you have any video ideas. I would love to make whatever you guys want. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!